Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. Honda recommends using Honda genuine parts for your FG110. Clean the air filter every 25 hours of operation. You should clean it more often if the tiller is used in dusty areas. To inspect the air filter, close the choke and remove the air filter cover. Inspect the filter element. It should be clean with a light sheen of oil on it and in good condition. If the filter is dirty or dry, it should be cleaned with warm, soapy water. Place the clean, dry air filter in a resealable bag, then pour a small amount of air filter oil into the bag and seal it. Gently massage the oil into the filter. Remove the filter and place it on a clean rag and press out any excess oil. Wipe the filter mounting surface with a clean rag. Install the filter and make sure the 3 holes in the filter align with the 3 pegs on the filter mounting base. Make sure the filter is flush with the mounting surface. And reinstall the air filter cover.